Imagine doubling your Fiverr earnings overnight. Missing this could cost you thousands. Stick around to unlock the secrets no one is talking about. Picture waking up one day to find that your earnings on Fiverr have doubled, if not tripled. Sounds like a distant dream. Well, it's far closer to reality than you think, and it all starts with making strategic choices about which gigs to promote as an affiliate. Selecting the right gigs isn't just about going for the top performers blindly. It's about understanding the market demand and aligning that with gigs that not only have high demand, but also boast excellent reviews. This combination is like finding gold in the world of affiliate marketing. Now, why focus on demand and reviews? High demand gigs mean there's a constant flow of potential buyers. These aren't just window shoppers. These are motivated individuals ready to spend money on services that meet their immediate needs. When you direct these eager buyers to gigs that not only promise but deliver exceptional quality as evidenced by their stellar reviews, the chances of conversion skyrocket. You see, in the digital marketplace, trust is currency. Reviews serve as social proof, building trust and reducing the perceived risk of an online transaction. But here's where it gets even more interesting. When you successfully match a high-demand gig with excellent reviews through your affiliate link, your credibility as an affiliate grows. Your audience begins to trust your recommendations, transforming your affiliate ventures from one-off sales into a reliable income stream. This synergy between demand and quality can turn the tide in your favor, propelling your Fiverr affiliate earnings to new heights. Now, I want you to pause for a moment and think. Have you been selecting gigs based solely on personal preference, or have you been strategic about it? Reflect on this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Imagine stumbling upon a hidden gem that could skyrocket your Fiverr affiliate earnings. That's exactly what happens when you pair high-demand gigs with compelling, persuasive descriptions that shine a spotlight on their benefits. The secret sauce here isn't just in finding those goldmine gigs. It's how you present them to your audience. Tailoring your gig descriptions to highlight how these services can solve problems or enhance the buyer's life or business can significantly boost their appeal. Start by painting a vivid picture of the before and after. Describe the challenge your audience faces and how, with this gig, their life or business will transform. Use language that evokes emotion and relates to their deepest needs and desires. It's all about making it as relatable as possible. Next, incorporate testimonials or success stories in your presentation. Nothing beats hearing how others have benefited from the service. It adds authenticity and trust, further convincing your potential buyers. And here's where it gets even more interesting: the benefits. Don't just list them. Explain how each benefit brings value to the buyer's life or business. Make it clear, make it vivid, and most importantly, make it personal. Now, I want you to picture yourself as the buyer. What would catch your attention? What would make you click that Order Now button? Remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, it's not just about the sale, it's about fostering connections and trust. What do you think is the most challenging part of crafting descriptions that convert? Share in the comments below. Optimizing your gig pages for search engines or SEO within platforms like Fiverr isn't just a good practice, it's a game changer. Imagine the internet as a vast ocean and your gig as a tiny, shining beacon. Without SEO, your beacon flickers dimly, seen only by those who happen to sail directly over it. With SEO, however, it's like having a lighthouse that guides ships from miles away directly to your shore. Now, why is this so important? When you fine-tune your gig page with SEO in mind, you're essentially using keywords and phrases that your potential clients are searching for. This means that when they type their needs into the search bar, your gig has a higher chance of popping up. It's like setting up your shop in the busiest street of the city rather than a secluded alley. But how does this work in practice? It starts with understanding what your ideal clients are looking for. Are they searching for logo design or branding services? Once you know what they want, include these terms naturally within your gig title, description, and even in the tags. Remember, this isn't about stuffing your page with keywords, but integrating them in a way that feels natural and provides value. Next, think about the quality of your gig. Search engines within platforms like Fiverr also consider user engagement and satisfaction. This means getting positive reviews, responding promptly to inquiries, and ensuring your gigs deliver as promised are all crucial. In a way, every satisfied client boosts your SEO, shining a brighter light on your beacon. But why stop at your gig page? Sharing your Fiverr gigs on social media or your personal website can drive external traffic to your page, telling the platform's algorithms that your gig is not just popular internally, but externally as well. It's the digital equivalent of word-of-mouth recommendations, amplifying your visibility exponentially. Imagine now your gig shining brightly, attracting clients from across the digital sea. It's not just about being seen, it's about being discovered by the right people at the right time. How powerful would it be for your business if you could master this art? What are your thoughts? Have you tried optimizing your gig page before, and what was your experience? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. You might think your Fiverr gig is a needle in a digital haystack, but with the right strategies, it can become the beacon for your ideal clients. First up, social media marketing isn't just about flashy posts. It's about creating a community around your services. Imagine sharing tips related to your gig or showcasing your work process on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or even LinkedIn. This not only builds trust, but also puts a face to the name behind the gig. Now, level up with content marketing. Remember, content is king, but consistency is queen. Whether it's through engaging blog posts, helpful articles, or captivating videos, sharing your insights on topics related to your services can position you as an expert in your field. This isn't just about promoting your gig, it's about adding value to your audience, making them more likely to turn to you when they need your services. Email marketing might seem old school, but it's gold. A well-crafted email can remind your past clients of the fantastic work you did and nudge them towards your new offerings. It's personal, direct, and highly effective in driving repeat business or referrals. And finally, don't forget about paid advertising. A little investment can go a long way. Platforms like Google Ads or even sponsored posts on social media can significantly increase your gig's visibility to those actively searching for your services. Each of these strategies has the power not just to shine a light, but to spotlight your gig in the vast Fiverr marketplace. But remember, the key is not to try all at once, but to find the one that works best for you and your budget. What strategy are you excited to try first for promoting your Fiverr gig? Share your plans in the comments below. Imagine you've crafted the perfect marketing campaign. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's got all the makings of a viral sensation. But weeks go by, and the anticipated tidal wave of engagement is more of a trickle. What went wrong? Often the missing piece of the puzzle is understanding and targeting the right audience. Think of your marketing efforts like hosting a dinner party. You wouldn't serve a 5-course seafood feast to guests who are allergic to shellfish, right? The same principle applies here. Knowing your audience is like having a secret map that guides where you should place your marketing efforts for maximum impact. But how do we go from casting a wide net to pinpoint targeting? The answer lies in analytics. Tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, or even the data dashboard on your own website can offer a goldmine of information. They tell you who's interacting with your content when they're most active and what messages resonate with them the most. Armed with this knowledge, you can tailor your campaigns to speak directly to the hearts and needs of your audience. It's about making every dollar count by ensuring your marketing messages are seen by the eyes most likely to appreciate them. Now, think about your last marketing effort. Did it hit the mark, or was it a miss? Could refining your target audience and digging deeper into analytics have changed the outcome?